In this hour, we've got our training story that we're getting into in a bit, and then we also have soul food. We also have wild beats and mental health matters with Tendai coming up on the show. So, right, let's get into our training story. If you missed some of our big stories, big interviews, you can check them out on our social media pages. That's Star FM across all social media platforms. Now, training is a post that read, my brother-in-law's son broke my TV during a family visit. That was after I told my wife that our house was not child friendly. The TV is the latest model and that I got on pre-order from South Africa for $3,500, equivalent specifically for the World Cup. I feel his father should contribute towards replacing it, but my wife disagrees, saying her brother has helped us financially before, including contributing to our wedding. Am I wrong for expecting compensation? Our sources, Family Diaries. Good morning, Lewe.
Morning, how are you?
Imagine Okwana World Cup. I like the the comparison because you listen. World Cup because this is the latest model TV.
It's the model's latest, and then also invest. World Cup is a once off, but kind of World Cup here played. I will still remain with a.
He had made a good investment in coats. Where he's saying, because you know what, instead of the World Cup, let me just buy the latest TV.
Yeah, you know,
I'm sure it's a very, very big screen where you can then just watch the World Cup at home. You understand?
Yeah.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
You know, I can just search Google prices and just something that I don't know. When can I afford? Maybe by the time that I can afford, new models.
You see.
But now this guy invested on pre-order, Baba. It's not just you get in a shop and buy.
Pre-order.
You need to pre-order it.
Most of Notora, you know how it is.
Yeah.
So now he's saying that our house is not child friendly. I don't even think it's a matter of like, for instance, I think my bachelors, before they move out into bigger spaces and you are moving into their house, you as the woman pretty much have to change things around.
Maybe they're newlyweds.
That's what I'm saying.
And then I will see if they can afford a 3.5K TV. Obviously, I'm not toddler. I'm not screwing on the TV.
Yeah, so maybe it was one of those. Maybe with time, to change into a family type of environment. But so now in this case, what would you do? Because he's saying, I told my wife, please tell your brother he needs to replace the TV. And wife is like, no, he's helped us financially before, including kubatsira pa wedding.
Conversation is our house is not child friendly. I guess the wife had. My brother wants to visit, and obviously they're bringing the kids.
I want to get Mwana to a weekend, bro.
But I don't know because imagine what's the conversation that two adults would have about child friendly when they don't have a child themselves. So panic outside. I don't
think it's I think it's one of those. Well, my nephew's coming. And then it's like, maybe Kaka terrible too. Please, this is not child friendly.
You know it's not child friendly.
Yeah. And then now we have your screen remedy is 3,500. But if you were the wife, would you tell your brother to?
How? How would I? They try to say that conversation. So maybe this is days later post-mortem. TV World Cup World Cup
imagine.
Even the Kadon's pre-order, you know, we get every
32-inch or 42-inch.
I guess that's the point where I could maybe
something towards that.
So that's total a better model since we are doing pre-order. You need
it's crazy. It's equivalent to the World Cup. Hey. Listen, if you're just joining us, our training story this morning is a post that reads, my brother-in-law's son broke my TV during a family visit, which was after I told my wife that our house was not child friendly. The TV is the latest model that I got on pre-order from South Africa for $3,500, which is equivalent specifically for the World Cup. I feel his father should contribute towards replacing it, but my wife disagrees, saying her brother has helped us financially before, including contributing to our wedding. Am I wrong for expecting compensation? This is coming from Family Diaries. So now, what's your take on this? Do you think he's overreacting to say kuti waTsano ngawa compensated TV yakapwanywa nemwana wavo, or does he deserve to get his money back? You know, get the waTsano to just do the things.
Unfortunately, we are not all up for insurancing our properties. I don't think we even have the information.
But yeah, it's crazy.
We don't talk about insurance, but at the same time, I'm feeling now, Kuti, you can't ask for compensation. Because we are family. Just not saying which just say, but you know, it's life.
Listen to this comment here. It says, "Uyu murume oyo atowa pariboa. Awana excuse yokenda kunoona World Cup kubawa manje." Aida kuona pamake big screen, you know, at home and just chill. Anogona kutoripiswa Mukuwasha uyu akataura nyaya iyoyo. Ndite zvara futika.
But yeah? you know what, these things do I anoita kuti pave resentment, whereby culturally and morally and sevanu you can't go and ask for compensation by mistake yaitwa nemwana. But resentment will develop over time, and I don't know kuti inozobudikira through the family cards or through the wife themselves. Now look, it's now a situation yekuti pamwe izo apasisina brother yako sure muno 3.5. I'm not think I kind of students ba compensate we. I don't think they are that liquid.
I was thinking the same. I think they're financially okay. I don't think he would fuss about it. But now, when I want to save how to buy that, and then this happens.
Bouquet fully paid, TV, tango just a series of a World Cup.
Imagine, it's crazy. Please, when you're cleaning it, clean it like this, like that.
But our house is not child friendly.
Yep.
She just failed to read in, like to that panic attention already.
But when it's okay. So send your messages 772-162-651. If you're gonna send me an audio, please make sure that your audio is just under 30 seconds. The name is Max Ari, and this one features Delroy Shewe and Salingo, and the song is called Ndipere Keze.